This channel is doing nothing special, but it's making huge money month after month. In this video, I'm going to reveal every strategy for this niche so we can copy this channel and make even more money. And I will also show you things to avoid to make the YouTube algorithm love you. Interesting, right? This is something I'm going to start, and I'm going to give myself up to 90 days. I want to do it with you guys. The reason is simple. Per my checks, I find out this niche has a wider audience and the competition is also low. You can see that this channel here has uploaded only 10 videos but has gathered over 54,000 subscribers. Here you can see he started last September, which is 2024, but that's not true. It's just a trick that you need to know today, because this is one of the reasons you're still getting 0 views. I'm going to reveal to you soon, but first let me show you something. Let's click on their videos, then click on oldest. This is going to show us when this guy here uploaded his first video. Alright, you can see that his first video was uploaded just a month ago. Yeah, just a month ago. He got all of these subscribers and views in just 1 month. I know some people will say this channel is not monetized. You know why? It's because they are using this website called YT Large, which is not accurate. You see, my channel is monetized, but let's paste the link here to see if it's true my channel is really making money. Haha, you can see it says monetization is off on my channel, which is a big lie. To check for monetization, you need to go to this website, then paste the link of the channel here. I will use my channel as an example. Now let's click on check monetization and see the result. You can see my channel is truly monetized, right? Alright, I'm gonna show you why you're getting 0 views soon, but to prove to you what I'm about to show you will make you money, let's check if this channel is monetized. You can see this channel is monetized, meaning we're also gonna make money with this. Now, hear this. If you want to get results, then you need to listen to me and follow what I'm about to show you, because I'm gonna go deep with this one. Yeah, I'm gonna reveal all the strategies I've built for this project for free. In the next few minutes, I'm gonna show you how to properly create your channel and what you should do to avoid 0 views, and we'll be showing you my secret strategies that I use to get thousands of subscribers. If you're ready, just hit the like button to get started. Alright, so the first step is creating a channel, and pay attention here, because this is one of the reasons you're not getting views. You see, YouTube has changed, and you can't just create a channel and start uploading videos for views. No, your channel will be shadow banned and your video will not reach the algorithm, meaning you won't get views from search or the YouTube recommendation. Yes, YouTube is trying to avoid bots in their systems, so this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna use an old Google account to do this, and not just any old account. I mean an old account that you've never used to create a channel. If you don't have one, then I recommend you create a new Google account, then warm it up for a few days. It can be a week or 2. When I say warm it up, I mean you're gonna use the account to watch YouTube videos and use it to send emails for about 14 days before you create a channel with the account. Yeah, you simply have to keep the account active, that's all. Doing this will avoid you from not reaching the algorithm, but will give you a chance in the YouTube algorithm, meaning your videos will be recommended to people, and if they enjoy it, the algorithm is going to accept your channel and push your video to a wider audience. You didn't give me a like for sharing this with you? Come on, just like the video and let's continue. Anyway, that's not all. There are things that you're doing which you think it's good, but rather hurting your channel. I will tell you soon, just keep watching. Alright, just go ahead and create your channel. Creating a YouTube channel is easy, and I know you guys are smart to do it. Once you're done, just go to settings, then click on channel. Here, you just have to choose your country of residence. If you're not in the United States, don't select that. For the keyword section, you can just go to this website. I will leave the link in the video description. Here, just enter any popular keyword of your niche. In this case, it's about Bible verse. So, let's enter it here, then hit on search. Now you can see it has given us all the popular keywords in this niche. You just have to click on copy, then paste it here. Now switch to feature eligibility. Here, you'll need to activate this feature by verifying your phone number. So simply click on this button and make sure you complete the phone number verification. After successfully verifying your number, you're going to get this notification. Now if I go back, you'll see it's now enabled. For this you can verify it with your ID, but you can leave it as it is. It'll verify itself when you start uploading. You need to avoid shadow ban at all costs. Alright, let's hit save. For me, I'm going to rebrand this old channel. Alright, in the next few seconds, I'm gonna show you how we can find video ideas which will make people watch our videos. And I will be sharing some secrets with you, so keep watching. Alright, so the next step is to find viral video ideas. And we all know this is a very crucial step. Yeah, no matter how good your editing or visuals are, if the idea itself isn't interesting or emotionally gripping, people simply won't watch, share, or engage. You see, the idea is what gets people to stop scrolling. And for this, you can go to your competitor channel, sort their videos by popularity, and copy some of their viral ideas. This way you'll get an idea that's already working. This is one of the popular methods to get a viral video idea. But what if people don't have interest in those ideas anymore? That's why I prepared these prompts. This is what we're going to use for the 90-day journey. And we're going to use free AI tools like DupeDub, Leonardo AI, and ChatGPT to do all the work. So don't worry. I will be showing you one secret soon, but first, let's copy the first prompt from here. Now let's open ChatGPT. You can use DeepSeek and you'll get a similar result. Alright, let's paste the prompt we just copied here, then enter the number of ideas we want here. I will say 5 because this is just to show you how it works. Now, let's hit the enter and see what we get. Alright, so you can see these ideas are attention grabbing. It has also given us the concept, the verse, emotion, and the message it's going to inspire our viewers as well, which is perfect. Now, I recommend you generate like hundreds of ideas, then select the ones which are attention grabbing, and if you keep getting similar results, just ask it to give you different ideas. Alright, in the next few seconds I'm going to show you how we're going to generate an engaging script that will keep our viewers to watch the entire video. Yeah, if we can't keep your viewers engaged, then there's no need to worry yourself about finding ideas. Because even if someone clicks to watch our video and the script sucks, the person will leave immediately. And if it happens like that, the algorithm will stop recommending our video. But don't worry, because I prepared 2 prompts which are going to do all the work. You can see this is for long form content and this prompt here is for only shorts. Now this is one of the secrets most of you guys are not aware of, and it's killing lots of smaller channels. You see, when starting out, you need to focus on one form of content. Don't mix long form content with short form content. You'll kill your channel. The reason is simple. There are people who are interested in watching long form videos and others prefer short videos. So if you mix the two, you're going to get subscribers with different interests. I will find time to explain how dangerous it is to you, but for now, just don't do that. Alright, let's copy the second prompt from here since we're creating a long form content. Now let's go back to ChatGPT, then paste it in the prompt box. Next, we need to enter the idea number here. So depending on the idea you chose, simply enter it here. I will go with the first one. You can adjust the number here if you want to make a very long video. Alright, let's hit the enter button to see the result. Interesting, you can see ChatGPT has given us exactly what we asked for. You can see the hook, which is attention grabbing. If we scroll down, you can see it's encouraging our viewers. Tell me, who doesn't want to be encouraged? And these audiences are those who are going through pains and a whole lot, so encouraging them is the only way to make them feel they're not left behind. You can see it has also added a call to action, which will make them comment and share your video on other platforms like WhatsApp groups, TikTok, and so on. I'm giving all this for free, and you're not liking the video, come on, smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't. Remember, I'm going to share my results as soon as I reach monetization, so if you're interested, then I recommend you to subscribe. Alright, we're not done yet. In the next minute, I'm going to show you how to generate image prompt that will keep our views engaged just like the first video I showed you. But to avoid any confusion, let's copy the script from here by clicking this button, then open Google Doc. Now paste it here and remove all the unnecessary texts, like the subtitles and so on. We are doing this because we want only the script to create the voiceover. Alright, I think it looks better now. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to generate the perfect prompts to generate all engaging images. But for now, let's quickly generate the voiceover. For this, we're going to use a popular tool called DupeDub. I know most of you are familiar with this tool. It has realistic types of voices which fits these kinds of contents. Just click on the first link in the video description and you'll get this page. Now, to be able to use this tool, you first need to sign up for a free account. It's simple. Just click on the sign up button here, then sign up using these options. After successful registration, you're going to get this same page. Here you can create a realistic talking avatar, create a voiceover, which I will be showing you in a moment. You can also clone an AI version of yourself, which is quite interesting. I'd be doing a video about this and you're gonna love it. You see, DubDub offers lots of useful tools which will help us make our project easier. Alright, let's click on AI voiceover. Now let's go back to the script we edited, then copy a portion of it. Yeah, just copy a portion of it. Doing this will make the voice sound natural. So don't copy the entire script to generate the voiceover at once. Alright, let's go back to DubDub, then paste it right in this text box. Now, go ahead and pick a speaker by clicking on More Voices. Here you'll get lots of voices to choose from, but we need to sort these voices to get what suits our content style. And we're going to do that by clicking Motivational from here. Now you're going to get these voices which are perfect for the content we're creating. Just go ahead and choose the one you like, then click on Select. Now to generate the voice, you first need to click on the play button here, wait for it to be processed, then listen to it. If it sounds good to you, simply click on Export. Choose MP3 from here, then click the Export button again to save it to your device. Now what you're going to do is to go ahead and generate all the voiceovers, then remember to rename all the files to make editing easier when we get there. Alright, I'm going to show you the easiest way to generate image prompts in a moment, but let me ask you, are you enjoying what I'm sharing with you? If yes, then I kindly ask you to show me appreciation by liking the video. Alright, so to generate the image prompts, I've come up with a strategy to make it easier since lots of you guys are beginners. And we're going to do that by going back to the script we generated on ChatGPT. Now we're going to ask ChatGPT to number all the paragraphs for us. This way it'll be easier when doing the editing. Alright, I will enter something like kindly number all the paragraphs in the script without the subtitles. Now let's hit enter. Perfect, now you can see we got 16 paragraphs. If you get lots of paragraphs, just ask it to write the scripts in sentences. Then, after that, ask it to number the paragraphs for you. Alright, let's copy the last prompt here, and head back to ChatGPT again. Paste the prompt you copied in the prompt box, then hit enter. Awesome! You can see ChatGPT has given us image prompts for all the 16 paragraphs, and this brings us to the next step, which is generating the images. This is a crucial step because your visuals play a bigger role if your video will go viral. And for this, we're going to use a free tool called Leonardo AI. Simply sign up for an account if it's your first time, and you're going to get this similar dashboard. Now, what we're going to do here is simple. Just click on the image tab here, and you'll be brought to this page. Alright, for the model, I will go with Flux Schnell and leave the prompt enhancement as auto. For the style, I will maintain the dynamic and make sure 16:9 aspect ratio is selected since we're creating a long form video. Now listen, to get the best result, we need to give it a reference image. And I'm going to use this image on your screen right now as my reference image. You can pause the video and screenshot it, otherwise find a similar image, then use it. Alright, let's click here, then click on Style Reference. You can see I have the images here, but for you, you'll need to upload it by clicking here. I hope you get it. Alright, let's continue by selecting the image, then click Confirm. Awesome, so you can see our reference image here. Now let's go back to the image prompts we generated on ChatGPT. Good, let's copy the first prompt from here like this. Then go back to Leonardo AI. Paste the prompt you just copied in the prompt box, then hit generate. Let's wait to see what we're going to get. Perfect. I think I like this one. Let's save it by clicking the download button here. Always remember to rename the files to make things easier when it's time for editing. Now what you're going to do is to go ahead and generate all the images using the prompts, then follow me to the next step. Alright, in the next few minutes we're going to combine all the files to form a single video using an amazing feature in DubDub. But we can't just make a slideshow with voiceovers. Bro, that's boring. We need to keep our viewers engaged from start to finish. You always need to put this in your mind. I find a strategy that will keep our viewers all the way through. And before that will work, we need to remove all the background of the images we generated. We're going to do this for free, so don't worry. But before we get into that, I kindly ask for your support by liking the video and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. You know, it doesn't take more than 10 seconds to do it. So just go ahead and do that, because this is the only way to motivate me to bring you the best content every week. Alright, let's continue. Now go to this website, then click on the upload photo button. It's 100% free, so don't worry. Alright, go ahead and select your first image, then click on open. Now wait for it to be processed. Good, you can see the background has been removed. Now all you have to do is to hit the download button here to save it to your device. It's simple, right? Simply go back, then remove the next image by following the same steps. Always remember to rename all the images. I know this is going to take some time, but you'll achieve success. Alright, so you can see I've removed all the background of the images we generated. Now it's time for editing. But I will also show you how to create eye-catchy thumbnails and titles, and show you one thing you're doing wrong. This way you'll avoid that and your channel will grow organically. Good, so for the editing we're going to use an interesting feature inside DubDub, and to get this feature I'm talking about you simply have to click on video. Now you can see we have all the tools under the video category. Now we need one tool here, and that's the all-in-one video editing tool. Let's click on it. Alright, you can see this is beginner friendly and it's very simple to use compared to other pro editors. So to start, you need to make sure the aspect ratio is set to 16:9 since we're creating a long form video. Next, click this tab and import the voiceovers and the images. We removed the background as well. Unfortunately, you can't import in bulk, so take your time and import them one after the other. Alright, so you can see all the images here, and if we click on audios, you can see our voiceovers also. But I left one more thing, which is the background image. So go to Google and find a nice background. It should be simple. I have this brown background here, so I'll use that. Remember, we're going to add texts, so make sure the background is simple, and also note that the image should be in JPEG or PNG, else it won't work. Alright, so we're going to start by adding the background to the timeline. But you can see the background we added is not showing. Therefore, let's click sort by, then change it to from newest to oldest. Now you can see the background image here. Let's add it by clicking plus icon. You can see the background is added here. Let's extend it like this. Good. Now let's add the voiceovers. And to do that, we need to go to audios, then add the first one by clicking the plus button. Move the playhead to the end of the first voiceover like this, then add the next voice. Just repeat this step to make sure you've added all the voiceovers. Now, let's extend the background image to meet the voice like this. Perfect. Always remember to hit the save button to save your project. Alright, we need to add the images on top of the background image and the voiceover. And this is the main reason we asked ChatGPT to number the paragraphs in the script we generated. Let's go back to ChatGPT. Now, scroll up till you see the numbered paragraphs. Here is mine, so find yours. Alright, the first paragraph starts from here, then ends here. So, do you know what we're gonna do? It's simple. We're gonna play the voiceover, then listen to the first paragraph. Yeah, we need to know where it starts and when it ends.
Have you ever felt like your prayers are just hanging in the air? Like you've been asking God for something, healing, a breakthrough, a relationship, a dream, and all you hear is silence?
Alright, so the first paragraph ends at this point. Now, don't touch the playhead. Just add the first image on top of it. You can see we can't find the first image. So let's click on sort by, then let's choose from oldest to newest. Good, now you can see the first image here. Let's add it by clicking the plus button. Awesome, let's drag it to where it starts, then extend it to meet the playhead. You see, this is why I asked you to rename the files. Alright, let's adjust it like this. You know, we're gonna add texts, so make sure you leave a gap on the left or right. I think it looks better now. Let's go ahead and add the next image by following the same steps. Alright, simply go ahead and add all the images according to the voiceover. Perfect, I'm not gonna add all of it because this is just a tutorial. You just have to follow the same steps to add your images. Alright, let's add transitions by clicking here. Then pick the one you like. Good, now let's add subtitles. Click on transcription, then choose your language. Alright, let's hit convert. Good, now edit the subtitles by increasing the size, then add effects. Once everything is okay for you, just click on export. Select your preferred resolution, then make sure 60 FPS is always selected. Once done, just hit this button and it'll generate the video for you. It took me 15 to 18 minutes to edit this. Let's see the result.
Have you ever felt like your prayers are just hanging in the air? Like you've been asking God for something, healing, a breakthrough, a relationship, a dream, and all you hear is silence? You start wondering, did God forget me? But what if I told you? God hasn't forgotten. He's just saying one word right now. Wait. Waiting is hard. Let's be honest, no one likes it. We live in a world where everything is fast. Instant food, instant replies, instant success. But God doesn't operate on our timeline. He moves on his perfect timing.
It looks good, right? Now go to your YouTube channel and upload it. Alright, I'm gonna tell you something you're doing wrong soon. But let me show you how to generate titles that grab attention and design a thumbnail. Alright, we're gonna start with the title. For this, I've made it easier for you guys. So if you go to the prompt I provided, you're gonna see this prompt at the button here. Simply copy that, then go to ChatGPT, start a new chat, then paste the prompt you copied in the prompt box. Now, go back to the script you edited in Google Doc, then copy the entire script. Next, go back to ChatGPT, and here we need to replace these texts with the script. Perfect. Now let's enter to see what we get. Interesting, ChatGPT has given us 10 interesting titles. Now you need to pick the one you think people will click on immediately when their eyes flashes on it. I will go with this one. Now that you got the title, it's time to generate tags. So let's copy the title from here, then go to this website. Paste the title here, then hit search. Now these are trending tags you're going to use. You can just copy and save it somewhere. Next is the thumbnail. So let's go to Canva. Here, just click on create, then in the search bar enter YouTube thumbnail. Click on this one. Now we need to keep it simple. Just upload one of the images you generated. It should be the best one. Adjust it like this. Remember, you need to be creative here. What you need to do when creating a thumbnail is to add bold texts, and it must spark curiosity. Also use bright colors like red, yellow, black, and green. Now I will copy this part of my title and add it to the thumbnail. Yours will be different. So just be creative. Alright, I think it's okay now. Let's download it. Alright, do you know why most of you are struggling on YouTube? Let me be sincere with you, because I've been seeing these sorts of comments under my videos, and people are doing this on Facebook. You see, YouTube has changed, and you can't use tricks to succeed. If you ask people to subscribe to your channel, they're not going to watch any of your videos, because they're not interested in your videos. They just subscribe because you ask them to do so. And if it happens like that, the algorithm will say, this video is not good to promote. Yeah, because each time you upload a video, YouTube first recommends your video to your subscribers. If they react well to that video, the algorithm will push it to the YouTube homepage for a test. If people click on it and find the video interesting, they'll then share it to more people. So you see, if you didn't grow your channel organically, you're not going to get views. This might seem weird, but that's how it works. And that's the main reason I always hide my channel, because I know you guys will go there and watch a few portion of the video, and this is gonna spoil the algorithm for me, so never share your channel with anyone. Let those interested in your niche find your channel and you're gonna succeed. And one dangerous part of showing your channel to friends or asking people to subscribe is that your channel will be shadow banned. Haha. So instead of asking people to subscribe to your channel, just put in that effort in your content, then ask those who watch your video to subscribe, because they're your target audience. You can also offer something like free ebooks to your audience and they'll show appreciation by subscribing. YouTube is simple. Just learn and implement. Don't use tricks, else you'll never grow, because you are not smarter than the algorithm. If you enjoy the video, kindly support the channel by liking the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.